A poll is given showing 20% are in favor of a new building project. If 9 people are chosen at random, what is the probability that exactly 2 of them favor the new building project? So we have a binomial experiment with the probability of success is equal to 20% or 0.20. Probability of success is choosing a person in favor of the new building project. Probability of failure is 80%, which is choosing a person not in favor of the new building project. So I have the probability of success here, and the sample size I have is 9. So since the question is asking what is the probability that exactly 2 of them in favor or favor the new building project, that means I will just build a table that contains the probability of success. So x and then the probability of success, which is p of x. So since I have a sample of 9 people, that means either 0 persons or 0 people are in favor of the new building project, or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 people in favor of the new building project or favor the new building project, or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, which means all of them will favor the new building project. Now we're going to find each of these probabilities individually. So what is the probability of 0 people in favor of the new building project? We're going to use the binomial distribution. Click on the 0, comma, the number of trials is 9, which is the sample size. The probability is the probability of success, which is 0.20, comma, I'm going to use false or 0 because I don't want to accumulate any of these. I just want to compute the individual probability for each of these possible x's. So now I will do the same for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll find the probability of each of these individually. To make my life a little bit easier, I'm going to populate the table, and Excel does the work for me. Now I have a table that contains the probabilities or the possibilities and then the probability of each of these possible outcomes. So for example, the probability that exactly 3 favor the new building project is this number that I am going to highlight here. Let me see here if I can highlight that. This one. The question is asking what is the probability that exactly 2 favor the new building project. Exactly 2 is the number that corresponds to possibilities of 2, which is I'm going to highlight blue. So that is the answer. I will copy that and I will paste it to my answer box and I will submit the answer. So this is how you're going to answer this specific question.